How long can a visitor stay in my apartment? One of the benefits to having your own apartment is the freedom to entertain and host guests. Letting your friends and family shack up with you during a visit is a generous use of your space. Maybe you even had a friend or family member fall on hard times, and they need a place to stay. Whatever the situation, having guests can be fun, but you need to be aware of the duration of your guest's stay. How many days until a visitor becomes a tenant? Every person on your lease is able to have guests, even long-term ones, meaning more than a week or two. Maybe your friend is having a hard time financially, or a family member moved to the same city for a job and is in between rentals. You should feel entitled to host guests and visitors for an extended stay. However, it's largely agreed upon that around 14 days, or a 2-week stay, is when guests start to blur the line between visiting and residing. There are varying laws in different cities, counties, and states regarding guests having to pay rent after a certain amount of time, so make sure you check your state and local laws as well as your lease. Long-term guests turned tenants aren't just something you should be concerned about. This type of situation is also cause for concern for your landlord. Not only did they agree to rent to a set number of people in your lease, but there are capacity limitations in most rentals. A 2-bedroom apartment with 6 or more tenants can become a safety hazard. It's not just safety you should keep in mind. Most issues with long-term guests concern money, specifically utilities and rent payments. As the host, you may not be worried about helping out a friend, but if you live with roommates, you may find yourself in a situation where your long-term visitor is expected to split utilities and rent because of their extended stay. If you want a visitor to start paying their share of utilities and rent after 2 weeks, this type of agreement largely comes down to you and the guest, not the landlord. If the guest's stay extends beyond a few weeks, this is when you should consider asking your landlord about adding that person to the lease if possible. For more information, contact us now. Call us at 0063561936 or at 00639338161046. or at 00639171539608. You can also email us at jfpropertygroup.info@gmail.com. Visit us on our website at www.jfpropertygroup.com. Register now.
Services we offered: land survey, title transfer, dark clearance, building permit application, home renovation, water application, electrical application, property advertisement, architectural services, electrical services, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, drilling services, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, birth certificate registration.
And don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell icon for more properties for sale and for rent. Thank you.